What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. You know it's your boy, what? 416 to 876 Jamaica, my people. And today people say, I walk. My car in the garage right now, so we'll pick it up, you know. Some people want to thank all of the new subscribers them. They are come over and like up the channel, you know. Continue like up. Please, me I beg you know. Show a lot. When we watch the video them, I'm see the comments them. And I say, yeah. Like the feedback there. I mean I like the feedback there. You understand? So why me I do the video, my people? Some people think because other people live in foreign countries or live overseas or they move out of the ghetto and stuff like that, like whenever I grew up and have a bad childhood or a negative childhood that could have changed your life in a negative way also, right? If you never have a mindset. So this is why I come over here, sir, to say, you know what? I give a life story about how I grew up in Jamaica. Probably you guys don't want to hear it, you know. But you never know which ears might want to hear what I have to say. You understand? And how I grew up in Jamaica, you know, it never like it was pretty or it was sad. But we grew up in the ghetto, same way, and still make life happen. You understand? So I just come and share my story with the people of my channel. You know what? 416 to 876 Jamaica people. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I know it's not gonna be too short. I don't want it to be too long, cause like me say, I go pick up my car right now. As you see, I'm there at a place right now called Lawrence and Midland area. And car dealership I'm using a youth named Billy, is a Jamaican. So if anybody in Toronto need a mechanic, can look about them car, you just link me or me try put in a description. The youth named Billy, can Google him, Lawrence and Midland Auto Shop. Alright my people. So boom my people. I tell you my people, I grew up in one place. I think it's the worst part of Jamaica. Some people are going to say, brother, you're wicked and lie, man. Them place can't be the worst part. But people, I never grew up in your neighborhood. I grew up in this community. You understand? And the community I grew up in, you know, I'm not going to specifically call the place exactly, but I'm just going to put a broad name for I grew up. I grew up in a place called Central Village. You hear the name, my people? Central Village. Alright, my people? And I don't want people to bash Central Village. Like all a Central Village is bad. No. But how me grew up at Central Village, I grew up in the worst parts of Central Village. You understand? Alright, my brother. No, garage, the garage. No, I'm in the back. Yeah, alright. Yes, yeah, somebody living in my building, yeah. See if I'm in there in barber shop to you know my people. I think in there a barber shop, just to go give me one page, you know. But yes, my people, I grew up in a place named Central Village. I mean, I'm going from start to finish, you know, my people. I'm going to hear and know this, you know. I don't know if that'll be too dark or hopefully not. If you can't see me, you can't hear me, right? So yes, my people, Central Village, it have its good and it have its bad. Alright, I mean now again specific lane of where I come from because I don't want nobody come back onto me and say, oh, call up this or call up that. You know these things stay. But I'm just giving you my past experience growing up in the ghetto. Like my bridge in there and my people. Try to go to a barber shop. If you link him lock up. But yeah, Central Village is not all that bad because you just have the new gated community. They just open up over there. Probably about 4 or 5 years ago now. Every time me there Jamaica, I start trying to build that, right? But me I wouldn't advise anybody to buy no gated community in a central village. I mean, sorry. But people again, I just tell you from my acknowledgement and wisdom why I wouldn't. So the gated community, when them build up, I think it's nice, you know, my people. Go over there once. Nice. I would have live over there still if it was somewhere else. Because the place where gated community open up or be right in front of the central village tax office. 1, 2, them have a school right beside it named Osemati. Right? And then I think you have 2 other big company down there. Right? Prime location that for the ghetto. I'm not gonna lie. Prime location for St. Catherine. Because half an hour to reach town or 20 minutes to reach town. 20 minutes you reach Spanish Town or 50, probably 10 minutes you reach Spanish Town. Right? But another I come to talk about which part of Central Village place, you know. It is right beside a place called Big Lane. Yeah, man. Like me saying to my people, I get where I come from, you know. So I just going to tell you how it is. It is right from a place named Big Lane. Alright? So Big Lane now, it is right at one place named Jungle Bottom Big Lane. So not right at Big Lane it is. They are Jungle Bottom Big Lane. Right, my people? I don't come from Big Lane or nothing, my people. I just know I come from Central Village. So I know what me I talk about from what I don't know me I talk about. And this is why I'm coming to share my story of how me grew up, right? Big Lane, Jungle Bottom. When them man they in a war, you know, my people. And then also, it's beside the police station too, you know. But right over that area, you have a place called Zambia. Then you have Zine Lane. And then you have Local Lane. Then you have Compound. And then I think you have Russell Avenue. And then think you have, if you go way up on the hilltop, you have Elbow Square. Go around on the next corner, you have Chinatown and White Mall. West Hill or whatever it name. I can't remember what name. Right? You know where they all live. Because every night you go hear gunshot and soon as Central Village going a war, my people, you go hear about it. And you can stay from right at that gated community. Remember, you know, you're right out of Osemati, you know, close to fishery, you know. You can hear gunshot lift up. Or you can hear, yeah, when people in a war lift up from any part of Central Village. From right there. So why would you want to go there so and build a gated community in the ghetto? Unless you have a different objective plan for what you know now go do in the future to the ghetto, you know. You understand? But me grew up in the ghetto, heart of the ghetto. Remember one time, you know, people, I just go down to box road before I go into how we grow, you know. Me remember one time, you know, my people, me I got to school, just me I show you why I'm never live this, because more time I out there, hear them walk for go to school, because bus now stop and pick you up nowhere down the line as a Compound, Andrews Lane name, Big Lane front, where police station the people, the bus them not pick you up in the car, the bus them full up. And in time where you go on, you have to go down far. Right? So we always walk all the way down house Marty side for take bus. For sure. Right? When war go on, people you know want they know at them place. When war go on. Not the bus them not even want to stop. Me I tell you that. And if the bus them not want to stop, it don't make no sense to live somewhere you can't even take transportation. You understand? So when war go on, you know pretty. So boom now people will push back now. And people, like me say, this is my story. This is another man's story. This is how I grew up. This is how I live. I'm not offend nobody or anything. I'm not call a name in this video. I'm not call the lanes them if me know them in a war or who in a war or whatever. I just call broad it out. I just know so yeah, I born and grew up at Central Village. You understand? You will never know which part of village me come from at the end of the day. You see it, because I don't live there. I don't live there for the last 20 years. Still a family dead one, in and out. That's why I'm not calling no names or anything like that. Broad plain. Alright, my people. So boom now, my people. So I used to go, when I grew up, I used to go high school. Over White Mall. Yes. Why? Me just gonna kick it off from right there. So, but alright, if you want to go further, me grew up with them people. Me grew up with my mother and father, grandmother and uncle. You understand? Sisters and brothers, right? My mother and father split up. No, my father live which part him to live. My mother still live which part with her grandmother and thing. You see? So now, when they split up, they go on. My mother meet her husband now, what I call uncle. You understand? And so the relationship build until we're there, so same way, right? So we grew up, me a youth, we grew up and always I walk naked, and not naked per road, barefoot per road and things like that. And I like we never have the slippers and things, but I just the mentality how we grew up, you understand? Go there in the ghetto, you know. Go kick ball with friends, go the river, go the gully, you know what I mean? So we grew up. So I just go from the beginning of my life how I can remember, you know, my people. Because part one of the story this, I just explain. So people, you know, say if somebody come a foreigner and go buy one Mercedes or build a house or Jamaica and buy up a condo right there and build a villa right this and do this, then judge people because I don't know where the people them come from. You understand, my people? Turn to the sun. So yeah, man, my people. So we kick it off back again, you know. So boom now, I think one day, this time when my mother still live in Jamaica, you know. I think, see, when she watch them video, you know, she gonna be like, wow, really, I gotta talk about that. I think one day, I get out of hand, and I back chat my mother, and I go to school, primary, basic school, right? So one day, you know, I go to school, now I back chat my mother, and my mother say, you know, I go to school, and I say, no, I'm not going to school. And I say, people, the woman find one switch and give me some lick. I run go underneath the bed, she still a draw for me underneath the bed, you know, my people. And I say, come go on to school, and she beat me, and I still have to end up and go to school, my people. So, a whole heap away. Grew up underneath them situation, you know, but it's not like she's abusive mother or anything like that, you know. Because that's the only time I remember my mother ever beat me, you know. You see, but me that be difficult, say, for me, right? So, most people go through all some of them type of things and say their parents don't love them, this and that. But sometimes, if you look back in your life, you have to know really say, yo, I mean that be a bad pitting at the time. You see where I go from now? So push back from after that now, boom. My mother must go foreign. Them time about 2003, 2004, my mother must go foreign now. So boom now I just, me, my brother, my sister, my stepsister, and grandmother and uncle live at the house, you know. You understand me? I try to say, so he might really take care of it. And then my father up the road, I take care of we also. You see where me I go from now. So boom, my mother gone foreign now, and me alone. Really, cause I always step on the street. You know what I mean? I stay in a house, cause when I grew up in a cable TV and a big back TV me have. When people have cable, we don't have no cable. You understand? And them time I'm about 11, 12 years old now, you know. About 11 years old. You see? So me have to find some way. So every time my father have cable, you know. But in knowledge part where he lives, so I always have to go check him. So every time I walk with my father, I go watch cable, you know, my people. But every time I have to walk, go back down on my yard. You see? So every night time come, boom, pack up and go back on my yard. Go watch TVJ and TV. You see what I say now? So hopefully you can hear me now, people, because I think the noise get loud in the back because somebody a vacuum. So right there, so now I never really have no problem with life because life was still good. But yes, my people, still hear gunshot at night times, all of them things. So we still get down to all of that part there, you know. You understand? But me I get from my youth days. Remember one time I go White Mall High School. The primary, I think it's 6th grade, to 6th grade, right? Yes, I call it primary school. I go White Mile High School. And as soon as I finish school, remember, you know, people, I about 11, 12, you know. Boss me have to take after that, you know, to go buy fish, you know, because my family cook fish for sell back. You understand me? I try to say. So, they maintain me for go to school, you know, my people. So now I grew up with my father and things like that. More time I don't really see my father like that either, you know. Because he have a shop, I will take care of his. So when I finish school, go to the shop, and you know, say, a year duty that sell in my shop, you see. And that's why most of the time, although sometimes my father go on or him go on, I can never say a bad thing about them man there more time. Same way. Because the man there, when my mother there Jamaica, my mother there on her face, you know. You see, me always me dey in a shop and I thief out cigarette and give my mother, you know, my people. Sometimes my father strip me down and say, me know say I thief out the cigarette them, you know. Sometimes we come up to some place of hide the cigarette them, my people. I know some my mother still get a 1-2 cigarette, you see. So we just said, Jaja God man, and him know too, you know, my people, because one time they are Jamaica where they say, hey, think me never do any thief out the cigarette they will give your mother. Right? So now, me there anytime we down upon my face. I can always say the Monday. Remember, you know, my mother come a foreign, you know, so now my sister there Jamaica. My 2 sisters them where me live with. And my brother, grandmother, uncle there the house. Right? And now a female, my next brother, my next sister always come off. So about 7-8 people that more time he might take care, you know. So more time me all take we all $100 or $200 out of shop. And go down on my yard and say, yo, mama, say I think you have to buy food. You understand? Or buy food and go in. You see it? So me used to live in my people. When I grew up with no gold spoon in my mouth. You understand? And in time I'm about 11, 12, I got to 13. And that's when I just start Waterford High School. People, I walk away from the thing. That's when I just start Waterford High School. You see it, my people? So right now we just say boom, I go say we start Waterford High School. Right? Remember one time I think me there in a 7th grade. Yeah man. Me da save up. Right? Me da save up for buy a Sony Ericsson phone. You know them colored screen phone will just come through. Me there save up for buy a colored screen phone, you know my people. My brother, we bring over one of my friend them. Where I stay with from school. And my uncle have one of them girlfriend where I stay with. Right? So my people, can you tell me this? I'm just going, you know. Save up my lunch money, you know. Remember me I got Waterford, you know, I'm hungry, you know, my people. Most days, then they say you get $200 for go to school. So you know it's about $100 for the bus fare, 50 for go and 50 for come. And about $100 for your food, you know. You see it? I mean, I tell you them people, I save up my money, you know, for I want 3 months to all 6 months. Save up and look at money my father always give me from my shop because I go there and work and whatever. And them time I help I soon go down to the other part them. When I used to all work at town, if you show on, you know, so when I grew up in a gold spoon. You understand? So I go say to people, I go say boom and save up my money and buy my first. Me have one of them flashlight Nokia there before. And I say, yo, I upgrade because I want the MP3 player. Them time the MP3 player just come on phone with the Razor. Remember the Razor? Yeah, man. So, boom, now I buy my phone, you know, my people. I'm go inside. I'm happy, you know, my people, and put it down in the box. And I say, yo, finally me get a nice phone, you know. So now, boom, now, my people. I think somebody said me go to shop. Or me go to school. One of them. Can you tell me this? Me come home from school and go in my room because my mother leave her room with me. Me go in my room and I look for my phone. Me look up, me look down, me look right, me look south. Only 2 people there at the house, you know. My brother friend and my uncle girlfriend alone. And yeah, tell me say today them say and them take up a phone. Me say thing bun me. Buy my first phone when nice, about $5 grand or $6 grand for the phone at the time. Me say I'm happy for the phone, you know, my people. And boom, it just disappear and gone like that, you know, man. Me tell you, yo. After that, the youth that stay there in cut. Uncle man cut. Still not get back my phone. Right? So, me assure you, say, $100 me used to get for eat at school when me I grew up. Yeah, man, $100. Some people right now, they might get 2, 3, 4,000 now. So, boom, now we push back to school days. Next soon I'll go back to the ghetto part of the central village, you know, but just highlight quick because I don't want the video them to be too long. I want to push the ears further. Alright, my people? People want them to like, share, and subscribe, you know, my people. So, boom, now, people, we go back to school days. Growing up, and I got school in Jamaica. Waterford, me used to go. Right? And I start from 7th grade. So, boom, now, we start 7th grade high school. More time, my father not even have money. Forgive me for go to school. The man just have bus fare, but you know, say, we hold it. You understand? But I eat a breakfast and just go to school and hold it. You see? So, boom, now, and as soon as I done school, now, I have to go home, because I still have to go to town and go buy fish, Like them time 7th grade, about 14, 13, 14, just to start high school. And every day, I finish school. Every single day. Me and my brother always have a fight. All my brother. Me and my brother grew up, It's my next brother. See, all them things that you have to look upon, I used to never even like my brother. I go back in the days, You used to never even like my brother. And you used to scar my brother. Because you me have a different mother. Right? He may have a stepmother, and me and my mother different. So we never used to like him. Because we say, oh, my father to do that. Because me and my brother, I see him born. For sure you. So people are say, how come that? Right? So we never like that when we grew up, and then for them life, see him life was him always dirty foot on the road, always a walk, more time me in a slippers are nice and clean. Him always dirty. And my mother come through one time and said, brother, you have to clean and start cleaning him up and stuff like that. Yeah, man. So we used to never scan. We used to scan my brother. I tell him to play in the street how me used to grow up, So I never go lie to him or bush or nothing, because he probably know this from a long time to and feel it. But me and my brother good like cook food right now. All of my family and relatives them. When I go talk about in the video right now, we're good like cook food. You understand? So boom now. Every time him used to come over, me used to avoid him because I don't want the road him period. Him live far than me, so I have to go check him before him always come on my yard. Because I never think him just like the road way. He like the energy, and the most time my next brother did there, me did there, and then boom we go with father and go and chill. You understand? Because none of we used to live with father. Until my father put on the next one room and he moved there, and that's how start get back close. Because now me and him gas. Because when we go to school, I used to scan him. So I know my brother that blue blah blay. Girls are say, oh your brother, oh yeah, this one your brother for. I didn't think that people look upon them things there, people. I say, when you're a youth and I grew up, you now watch people emotion and things like that, You just live for you. Right? And then things that probably hurt my family, or me used to probably treat them as a youth or my brother. And him never that come to you and say, blah, I think at one time, me and him must have a fight about it one time. And the man say, yo, me and your brother, how you have to treat me so? You see it? And me I look and say, yo, you have a different mother, blah, 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 blah. Me no care, you see, me have look how you have, you always try to prove for me a family member them. And them things they rub off on a negative energy more time. And you're not even look upon that in a life. You understand? Until you get older right now, you say, Jaja. Them things that was wrong. So all of the youth them who have a step sister and step brother at Jamaica, please don't treat them no different than how they treat your own brother and sister or your cousin or your friend them. Because at the end of the day, we all are going to grow up and people are going to look back on them things in a life and then can come back up and treat you like shit, because now you probably depend on your face. You probably do a whip in a life too, But because them remember them experience, they might not even want to link with you. Or you not even want to link with them because you think you're still in this high-ass position of life. But remember, everybody have feelings and everybody have emotions. You understand? So you don't take nothing to link and say, yo, remember them days that we used to go through this and that. I read that talk about that, and after that, me and him day at school. Me and him got every school together. Me got White Mall, him got White Mall. Him pass say Waterford, me pass Waterford. You understand? So we always up and down. Him have to go to town today, me go to town tomorrow. You know what I mean? We always have to argue because when school done, them have a place uptown called Detention. After back in the days, I always want to go to Detention, One place called Detention because be a girls there, the high school girl there. You remember your 7th grader, you want them Round all of the mix of everything. So boom, one day me and him for arguing. I said, brother, you are going to town today? And the man said, no, you are going to town, you know. I say, you know what? I always be the bigger person. I say, you know what? Just go back on me yard to get the money. Most of them give me the money from early. In the morning, I say, yo, when I done school, just go on straight to town and go buy the fish and come back. You see? And I say, alright, you know what? I might choose it. I go to town. Because when we done that, you know, nobody can talk to me. I'm going to do my own thing. You see? So I remember now one day now I at school now. I think, yeah man, same 7th grade or 8th grade. Think of 8th grade now. We're there now. Right? I think probably I skip the years them and I push for further because I try talk quick. I mean I try, you know, understand, but I still I try to remember everything. So I there 8th grade now my people. I remember I go to school one morning. Right? And I think 2 sides in a war. Right? 2 sides of people in a war. And we go to school. Remember, like I tell you, my people, we walk all up to the police station to Osemati. Osemati, we walk go to take bus a morning time because the bus is always full up. So you have to do a long walk. Right? And I think 2 sides are lane or 2 sides are place them in a war, people. And all me hear are just ba 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 straight low knockings. And then one of my cousins, one of my brethren right beside me say, yo, J-Dog, because J-Dog they used to call me soon getting at the part in school days too, you know. Man I say, yo J-Dog, you see man them rise. I think the Inchatech. Yes, one gun on rifle when him Inchatech. Me say, you know about this? Man, I say, you least hear the sound them, dog. We always hear the man, them always tell you, so them have the Inchatech them. Man, them always have the Inchatech. And the man, I say, Jaja God, dog, what kind of war this is going? Remember, you know, people like Ghetto, you're school youth, right? My next virgin say, don't worry. You soon hear the crocodile K. I mean, I say crocodile K. What kind of thing them people are talking to people? Only James Bond and thing alone me hear them type of sound there. And type of to always play the Nintendo 64 them and stuff, right? Only James Bond alone me hear them type of sound there, you know, my people. So when the man tell me about them things, I say, Jaja God man. I said the day when we are going to school, people and I drive go to Portmore, they carry them off there, fling cross. I feel go so. When we there at school, the teacher them say, yo, anybody from the Central Village area, you guys have to go home early. 12 o'clock them let we out. Them say we have to go back home early because the war get intense. Helicopter, police, tanker. The time that I can't remember what year, my people. But remember that war like the back of my head back. You understand that? Back of my head back. Me remember that war, intensify war. And I say now people, when you're there at school, you know who are going to turn out to be a bad man and who not turn out to be a bad man. Alright, watch your prayer. Why I say that, right? So when me there at school, remember one time I sit down around my friends them, you know. And true we have a little name now with there at school, you have a pretty face boy, then call you a pretty boy, but you still broken around nothing, but you have your little name, because you don't know, still clean at school and dress nice and, you know, khaki have a clean and your shoes ever shine off and thing. Right? So I there at school one day, that's why I say, sometimes at school, the youths them pick up them attitude they're from. And a lot of people don't realize that, you know, because say they are school people, I'm gonna pick up some attitude, you know, my people. Remember me tell you that, you know, I'm gonna pick up some style or ways. You know, if you could imagine, you know. So I there at school now, my people, I sit down and about 3 of my bridge them just stand up around me, and I think I call a youth then, a nerdy youth. I think step on, I think me do have a Reebok classic them time. I think the youth step on my shoes. My brother I say, yo, dog, you're not going to defend that. I'm saying, what you talk about? Man I say, yo, you don't see the boy step on your shoes. Yo, come puff him chest, dog. And I say, dog. And then me reel up and I say, hey boy, you don't see what you do? Because now, your friend them are boots, you know. And that me I try to get to know one of people. Me, should I think out of myself at that age and thing? And say to myself, me I go puff a man chest because my friend them tell me you go puff a man chest because you know what me all I know I look upon on people and that some of the youths them grew up and I learn from them friend them and them friend them most. Sometimes them friend them what I can't find the word. With me I look upon. Put things in a for them brain and make them start act out and start go on so right now. You understand? Because watch you now. I say, hey, boy, see what you do and go over this and go puff him all him chest and you understand? And me I say, yo, you know, so you step on my shoes, dog. Clean it off. I say, yo, sorry, dog. I not even think about that right now. No. I not think about to do my homework. Because I late upon it. And I say, you know, watch ya. Everything good. Hear my bridge in them. Yo, dog, at this, if this the boy, my youth. If you slap all in them face for all that, the boy at this way, you know. And them time, I think the youth, they didn't a older grade than we too, you know. Him never slow or nothing. Right? But the youth there, he must always just focus on school. I don't even remember what I do now or everything like that. You understand? Because them they in a older grade, them left school long time. Right? But I just show want to say, people have to think about the youths them and who them a grow around when them a grow up. Because most of them things when you see them turn bad man and a chill with them. Me remember one day, me dey at school again, and a youth come to me and say, yo dog, you know, so they done make me lock a strap last night still, and me I say to myself, but not. The man they a big man now. I want to be like all him when me grew up. You understand me I say? One second. So yes, my people, sorry about that, but my mechanic that called me and tell me say, no, the tire rod need to change. It's like, I go with Mercedes, like everything have to change 1-2 times, you know, and the mechanic, you know, there's always something needed to be done with your car. Like, them just money just to keep on adding up. We don't know my people, so if I get done, see on me. Simple as that, it's bad, right? So yes, my people. I don't know if I go back on what me say, but please, I repeat myself with the school thing. Sorry about that. Right? Because I say no, most of them things here, what me can see in a society where I fall back down now, upon the youths them, are from school days when we are grew up. Because let me that say, my brethren forward at school and I say, yo, done make me lock a strap all last night, you know you yourself as a youth. I say, yo, that big dog, and when you're there around them people at school, them protect you, you know. Because more time, them not have the money where you have, and more time them left fortunate and poverty than you. Although you broke, you know. Me I tell you somebody they broker than you. Here. So, always remember that. So anytime you have a money at school, me always say, yo dog, say lunch money or with a tear all the box lunch. You know, you tear your box lunch and give him half and you eat half. You understand? So, I so used to do it at school, man, with people. So now, we there at school the next day, the man come back and think of somebody else and get in an argument and he step over and say, yo, you deal with. And I say, yeah, you like that because I know you look at school now. You look like a big man. I remember you know people, we just there in I think at 9th grade, we just there in now. 8th or 9th grade. And if them have them power there when them go to school, when they on the road, you know my people, you don't know what them there around, the people who influence them. So more time you have to talk to your kids, them, the guide and counselor. To talk to your kids, them, my people. Because I tell you, you know, that a lot of this thing is stemming from right now with this crime, you know. With the youths, them, you know. And because of from right there, so you know, right in a school, you know, because in a school, my brother tell me say I like gun. In a school, at a high school, you know. For sure, yeah, you know. My boy, when they're probably the same age as me, 14, 13, 14, 15, those time. No, 14. I think I 8th grade day now, about 14 of my people. And if them do that from age of 14, when them come out of school, them go think them are the man now. Big man, and yeah, you don't care what you want to say. They are school up, yeah? You understand me? I try for some people. So, if me never have sense, put my head on my body in that school, I just say, yo, I go follow my bridging, go and go lock gun too. I'm going to show you a thing about that thing there too, but we're going to leave that for part 2, you know, my people. We're not going to fully go in it all way. I'm still going to talk about Central Village, the school, and other things in a part 2. So this is going to be to continue. People want to just like and share, subscribe to the channel, you know, because part 2 will come out, you know. And people want to comment if you don't have any experience like what I had growing up. Right? Want to tell me that. I still go back in with some parts, because like me say, when you talk about stories from your past, everything you just bam on your head one time, you understand? So I want to think if you don't have any past story like oh I grew up in Jamaica. You understand me, people? But that's just part 1 for right now, my people. I don't like me say I don't want the video for too long, but still long-ish. Alright, my people, so people please like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy 416 to 876 Jamaica. I'm out.